1.3 Expressions and Assignment Statements. You might recall the use of expressions in your math classes. Much of programming uses expressions and operators found in the realm of mathematics. A literal is the source code representation of a fixed value. In this example, the variable called age of type integer gets the value 16. You might remember working with string literals in our first lesson. Arithmetic expressions include expressions of type int and double. The arithmetic operators consist of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. They work similarly to what you would expect in a math setting. Let's talk about the modulus operator. Pay attention to the output of the following expressions. A modulus b, or 5 modulus 6 in this situation, returns the value 5. C modulus b, or 7 modulus 6, returns the value 1. C modulus a, or 7 modulus 5, returns the value 2. What value do you notice modulus returns? Do you see a pattern? Look at it from a written division perspective. You might notice that modulus returns the remainder. Here are some interesting modulus statements you can explore. How might you prove them? How might you prove this statement?